Ever wondered how AI can change your life, or maybe you're curious about how to use it efficiently? From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's reshaping our world today. It's opening up possibilities we could only dream of a few years ago, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just a curious mind, buckle up. Today we're going to share 3 tips to help you get started with AI. Firstly, you need to understand what AI is and how it works. At its core, artificial intelligence is a system designed to mimic human intelligence. But here's the catch. It's not a sorcerer's stone. It has its strengths and weaknesses. AI can't think or feel like a human, but it can process massive amounts of data and find patterns faster than we ever could. So, it's not magic, but a tool, a powerful one at that. Remember, understanding AI is the first step towards harnessing its power. Next, you might want to consider learning to code. It's a tool that can make you a master craftsman in the world of AI. Languages like Python are particularly beneficial, given their widespread use in AI. And don't worry, there are plenty of resources out there to help you. Websites, online tutorials, even free courses. The journey may be challenging, but trust me, the payoff is incredible. Coding skills can open a whole new world of AI applications for you. Finally, don't forget to engage with the AI community. Networking and learning from others is key in this field. Online forums, meetups, and conferences are rich sources of knowledge and inspiration. Joining the AI community can provide support and inspiration on your AI journey. So there you have it, 3 tips to get you started with AI. First, understand the basics of AI. Second, learn to code. Third, engage with the AI community. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and insights about AI. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of artificial intelligence.